In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Republic Bank mobile app, step-by-step installation guide. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to make it as easy and clear as possible. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your favorite web browser on your PC or mobile device. Conduct a quick search on Google for Republic Bank mobile app. This initial search will bring up a variety of links. For optimal results, look for the official Republic Bank website link or the app's official page within your device's App Store results. Clicking on this link will take you to the destination where you can get more information about the app itself. Once you're on the Republic Bank mobile app page, you'll likely encounter two options. One to download the app from the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and another to download it from the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. It's vital here to make sure you choose the right store according to the device you're using. This ensures that the app you download is compatible with your device and ready to be installed hassle-free. Now, if you're browsing on your computer, don't worry, you can still proceed. While browsing the store page on your computer, you can click on the Store button, whether it's Google Play or App Store, and this will prompt an option to send a download link to your mobile device or sync your current device for later access. Alternatively, you can simply make note of the app and switch to your mobile device to complete the download. If you're already on your phone or tablet, this process is a bit more seamless. Tap on the Install button if you're navigating from the Google Play Store or the Get button if you're in the App Store. These options will initiate the download and start the installation process directly on your device. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network to avoid any interruptions during downloading. After the app finishes downloading, it should install automatically. Once installation is complete, you can locate the app on your home screen or within your app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it, and you're ready to start using the Republic Bank mobile app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Republic Bank mobile app. If you run into any hurdles during the downloading or installation process, revisit these steps or check for any necessary device updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of managing your finances right from your smartphone.